hub of Captiva on Andy Rosse Lane. If you're familiar with Andy Rosse Lane, you'll know that a lot of the activity goes on here, the restaurants and so forth. You're just down the street from the Mucky Duck, which is also your access to the beach, which always fun to watch. People watch is definitely something that you can do here, and just down on the other side of the street is a walk away over Captiva Drive to the bay to watch, to witness the sunrise. Here at this property called Latitudes, have an attitude at Latitudes, that's for sure. It's a multi-level Mediterranean style home built in 2011, 4,000 square feet. The address? 11522 Andy Rosse Lane. The features goes on and on and on. I mean, you have a guest suite, you have a morning kitchen within the guest suite. It's a 4-bedroom with extra sleeping area. Pool, jacuzzi, underbuilding, sun deck area. You have 2 vehicle garage, a 4-year elevator, 6-burner gas stove, walk-in pantry, granite countertops. The master suite is on the upper level where it has its own area in itself, a huge walk-in closet, the bathroom with the double sinks, the vanity sink, then your exterior area, I mean, the decks, the porches go, balconies go on and on. Right now, we're standing outside looking over Andy Rosse Lane. Again, if you want to people watch. If you want the privacy, hey, head to the back, head to the pool area and all that, and it's walled off, so you have the privacy if you want. You know what? Let's go take a peek. Come on in.